Sabihin nyo sa akin, normal ba yun? Na 125 billion gamitin mo in 11 days? As a finance officer.
Po, mayroon pa yata mas malaki.
Hindi, so ganyan kalaki o mas malaki dyan?
Mas malaki po ng contest.
Kanina sinabi po ninyo maliit lang yung opisina ni Ma'am Gina Acosta. Tama po ba? Could you please describe the office of Miss Gina Acosta?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, the office of Miss Gina Acosta, it's located in the executive wing of our office. So, different staff sila doon, and then parang cubicle lang siya na taguan.
Cubicle lang?
Yes, Mr.
Wala ba siyang taguan doon sa opisina niya ng pera?
I am not aware, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinabi mong cubicle, di ibig sabihin, hindi siya talaga office.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So there is no way na po pwede niya itago sa opisina niya yung 125 million. Tama po ba? Kasi cubicle lang eh.
Mr. Chair, may mga storage shelves doon sa opisina.
Storage shelves?
Cabinets, Mr. Chair.
Cabinet, but yes, not vault.
I'm not aware of any vault, Mr. Chair. And I have not inspected the storage shelves, Mr. Chair.
Chairman.
Yes. Congressman Paduano.
Nasa likod ako eh. But anyway, Mr. Chair, yung land bank ba? Land bank, ano ba talaga nangyari? You delivered, kinuha, 125 million?
Mr. Chair, kinuha po siya sa bank.
Yung 125 million?
Yes, Mr.
Sino yung cashier teller at the time?
3 tellers po yung involved, different checks po.
Different checks? Ilang checks yun?
4 checks, sir.
Mr. Chairman, can we invite in the next hearing the tellers involved in this transaction? Para magkalinawan po tayo dito kasi I doubt, Mr. Chairman, ma'am, land bank, do you have a MOA with the office of the Vice President?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado po kayo?
Opo.
Wala kayong MOA?
MOA for the cash delivery, no, Mr. Chair.
How about cash deposits?
We have a MOA, payroll lang po.
Sorry?
Payroll.
Payroll, not cash advances on other projects and transaction.
Yes.
How can we submit then yung MOA nyo with the OBP para matingnan namin? What was the last date ng MOA nyo?
2022.
O, pag-submit po para matingnan natin. Then, Mr. Chairman, may we invite all the tellers involved?
Could you please submit the names, the list of the names of the tellers?
Yes, Mr.
To the COMSEC. Okay.
Mr. Chair, lahat lang po.
Yes,
Ma'am, the transaction happens when?
Yung isa po, first check 2022 and the rest na 3 checks 2023.
Ito po, 2022?
Yes, Mr.
How much is the 2022 transaction?
125 million.
Then, yung 2023?
3 checks po, 125 each transaction.
125 each transaction. So, yung 2022, 125 each transaction. Tama?
125.
Okay. Now, ma'am, ganito, 125, ma'am, ha? Ilang, yan? Ilang luggage yan?
Mr.
Sabihin natin.
Chair, ano po, duffel bag daw po.
Duffel bag?
Opo.
Gym bag.
Gym
Apat
bag.
na gym
Gym
bag.
bag.
Gym bag.
Gym bag?
Yung
So my bid, that's around 30 million per bag?
more or less, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung more or less? Oh, yeah. Now, that was 2022, 2023, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ito lang po, ma'am. From the teller, sinong bitbit palabas? Of course, sa sasakyan ni Acosta, di ba? Sinong bumitbit?
Client po, Mr. Chair.
Right?
Client po.
Yeah, client.
May nag-assist po kay Miss Gina.
Na client, not your...
No.
Not your personnel. Sigurado ka?
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, ganito lang, Mr. Chair. Can we issue a subpoena at those stay home with regards to CCTV during the time? Mama, tandaan nyo, may record kayo dyan involving that transaction, Mr. Chairman, para makita natin kung nandun talaga si Acosta, wala. Because this happens, ma'am, in some of transactions being made by government agencies. And it was also investigated in my committee. Pakisabit po yung transaction na yun, 2022 at 2023, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Second. Mr.
Is there
Chair.
any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congress, DS, GG Suarez.
Curious lang ako dito sa pagbubuhat nung
Duffel
duffel
bag.
bag. Comsec, meron kasi akong hiram na duffel bag dito. Pakita mo nga kung ito yung ganito kalaki yung duffel bag. Mama, ganyan kalaki?
Opo. Meron pa yata mas malaki.
Hindi. So,
Pero
ganyan kalaki o mas malaki dyan?
Mas malaki po ng konti.
Yung bag po nang galing sa OVP o galing sa Land Bank?
Dala po ni client, OBP.
So dala po nila yung bag. So handa na po sila para kunin yung pera.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So ilang milyon kada bag ang nailalagay?
Sila po kasi yung nag-insert na po dun sa bag, naglagay sa bag. From the teller, nung nirelease po ng teller, sila na po ang nag-divide dun sa bags.
Without the supervision of Land Bank or under the supervision of Land Bank?
Witness pa rin po ng nag-release na teller.
So thank you that we invited the teller. Now question, I can imagine kung 4 na bag yun, 125 divided by 4, more or less would be around 30, 35. You know, my math isn't so good. Kaso lang, I would imagine, mabigat po yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So ilang tao ang kinikailangan, mga 31 million, no? 31 million, tama. So ilang tao ang napansin ninyo na bumubuhat ng isang bag?
As far po na-remember ko,
Pakilapit po.
sa pagkakaalala ko po, 2.
So 2 kada bag.
Mr. Chair, very quick interjection. Quick interjection.
Congressman Garin.
Ilang kilo po ang 35 million, Mr. Chair?
Hindi ko po ma-estimate, Mr. Chair.
I'm sorry, Congressman Garin, I'm not in a position to answer that, no? But actually, that was my point. Kasi kung mabigat po yun, I would imagine. So kung 2 tao kada bag, 4 na bag, yun po ay binabalikan ng 2 tao o more than 2 people accompany Ms. Acosta to withdraw the cash?
More than 2 people po.
More than 2. So are you saying 4? How many individuals?
More or less po sa pagka-remember ko.
Kasi nung tinitingnan ko po, Ms. Sanchez, how long have you been working with Ms. Gina Acosta?
Since I joined the OVP,
First Sanchez.
Yeah.
yes, since I joined the OVP, Mr. Chair,
How would you describe her build? Is she as tall as you are? Kasi tangkad mo ba siya? Medyo payat? Ano po ang pangangatawan ng Miss Gina Acosta? Hindi ko pa po kasi nakikita ito eh.
similar to my build, Mr. Chair, pero baka mas payat po, Mr. Chair.
Mas payat. At kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, more or less, ilang taon na po si Miss Gina Acosta?
Mr. Chair, I will just check po yung date of birth. But
What about you, Attorney Lopez? You've been working with Gina Acosta for quite a number of years. How old is Miss Gina Acosta?
Your Honor, I would suppose not yet 60, but maybe 50, mid-50s.
69, Chairman.
59.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much for informing me. And and what is her build?
Similar, as mentioned earlier by Director Sanchez.
So, would you say that it will be physically impossible for someone of the same build as Attorney Sanchez to carry one duffel bag by herself?
Yes, it would be physically impossible.
It would be physically impossible. Kaya nga nangailangan sila ng 4 na tao. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I would like to support the motion of Congressman Paduano. It is also important for us to find out kung sino pa yung 4 na tao na kasama ni Gina Acosta mag-withdraw ng 125 million pesos sa Land Bank. Land Bank, as a matter of procedure, pag meron po bang mga pumapasok na tao para mag-withdraw ng ganito kalaking pera, nasa logbook nyo naman po yun, di ba? As a security measure, I would assume, a withdrawal of this amount would require certain signatories and IDs to be presented.
Sa guard's logbook po ba yung we're talking po?
No, either the guard's logbook or the bank record logbook.
Sa bank records po, wala po kaming logbook na maintain as to the...
So, ang nasa inyo, basta si Gina Acosta ang nakapirma. Hindi nyo na isinama doon yung mga kasama niya para dalhin yung pera.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Wala. But doon sa logbook ng guard, nandun yun?
I'm not so sure, Mr. Chair.
Siguro magandang malaman din natin kasi critical sa atin malaman yung mga individual. Sino po yung finance
Mr. Chair.
department? Yes. Very quickly, before I lose my point, Vice Chairman Benny, sino po yung finance and admin head? Yeah, Attorney Sanchez. So, sino po ang kasama ni Gina Acosta tuwing magwi-withdraw po ng pera ng confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President?
Mr. Chair, may I respond?
Attorney
Yes.
Sanchez.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, as mentioned earlier, from the end of finance, once we release the check to the payee, we do not have participation.
No. That's not my question, ma'am. My question is, di ba, you're handling admin as well. So, human resource, employees. So, 125 million is a big amount. And I would expect some sense of security would be implemented by the Office of the Vice President. Kasi tama yung sinabi ni Congressman Garin eh. Baka mamaya may magka-interest doon na nalaman na isang tao na kasing laki mo lang ang may buhat-buhat 125 million. Talagang pwedeng pagtangkaan na nakawan yon. So dapat may kasamang tao, may magsisecure. So who were those persons who accompanied Gina Acosta withdraw that money?
Mr. Chair, as to the security arrangements for the withdrawal of the money, I was not part of the arrangements, Mr. Chair, so it was not relayed to me, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I think that would be an answer I cannot accept, Mr. Chair, kasi kayo po ang tagapamahala nun eh. Kayo ang pumirma ng cheque. In fact, it was so quick that all 4 of you signed the check on the same day. There was haste in the office to withdraw that cash. So I would expect that in the same manner, you would also secure that fund. Kasi dito nga, December 20 ba yun? Sabay-sabay niyong pinirmahan yung disbursement voucher eh. Actually, nagulat nga ako, sobrang bilis ninyo eh. 3 signatory, isang araw, nagawa ninyo eh. So ipinakita nyo na minamadali nyong makuha yung pera. So ang tanong ko, sa pagmamadali ninyo, siguro naman, tiniyak nyo rin, dahil nga nagmadali kayo, mahalaga sa inyo to, sisiguraduhin naman natin na secure yung pera. Ang tanong ko, oras na ibinigay nyo yung cheque sa Land Bank, sino ang kasama ni Gina Acosta i-withdraw yung pera?
Mr. Chair, respectfully, I really have no personal knowledge as to the companions of the special disbursement.
Because, Mr. Chair, this did not happen only once. It happened in December, it happened in January, it happened again, I think, sometime in April, I can be wrong, and maybe again in September. Tama ba ako? Ms. Sanchez, parang ganun yung dates, di ba?
The last one was in July, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, okay. So, it happened 4 times. So, Mr. Chair, Ma'am Villa Del Rey, kayo, malalaman niyo ba kung sinong kasama ni Gina Acosta nung withdraw yung pera?
Ma'am Villa Del Rey, you are recognized.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't have knowledge po kung sino yung kumpanya ni Ms. Gina Acosta.
Kasi alam mo, Mr. Chair, ang nakakapagtaka dito sa Office of the Vice President, mabilis silang pumirma ng disbursement voucher para mag-issue ng cheque. Tumawag pa sila in advance sa Land Bank para siguraduhin na may pera ang bangko para withdraw yung pera. Kaso lang, wala naman silang nilalagay na action para pangalagaan yung pera. Ni nga paglalagyan ng 125 million, wala na silang pakialam kung saan nila ilalagay. Kasi ang sinabi ni Ms. Sanchez kanina, yung vault ay para lang sa petty cash. Sabi niya may cabinet dun, but I doubt you'll put 125 million pesos in a cabinet. Not unless that cabinet is secured and large enough to hold that amount. So what I don't understand, Mr. Chair, is how come they are so reckless and carefree with such a huge amount. And this is just 125 million. We're not even talking about the 37 million that was withdrawn from the DepEd. So for me, Mr. Chair, this is unacceptable.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman
I would like to ask a question to the Land Bank, no? In relation to the question of Congressman J.J. Suarez.
Mr. Chair, one interjection lang. May pagpatuloy lang. Very quick interjection. Can be just one answer. Kanina kasi nagtanong tayo dun sa lalagyan.
Congressman Garin.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, hindi ko lang po natapos yung tanong ko. Kay Ma'am Camposano, Ma'am, yung sa 37.5 million, ano po ito? Ano pong linagyan?
2 bags, ma'am.
2 bags. Anong klaseng bag po?
Parang ganyan din po, parang mga gym bags din.
So, gym bags. So, 37.5, ang laman ng bawat isa is more or a little less than 20 million each.
I am not sure.
Sino po ang nag-pack, Mr. Chair? Sinong naglagay dun sa bag?
The payee.
The payee. Sino po ang nagbigay ng pera?
The teller.
Sino po ang nagbit-bit palabas?
The payee.
Siya lang po mag-isa?
Mayroon po siyang kasama.
Ilan po ang kasama?
Isa po.
Yeah. Last question, Mr. Chair. Bumalik tayo dun sa tanong natin dun sa kabilang land bank. In your case po, sa DepEd, kanino pong sasakyan ang sumusundo dun sa payee? Naka-red plate po ba or private na sasakyan?
Wala pong sasakyan. Lumalabas po sila sa may backdoor po namin.
So walang sasakyan? Nag-jeep lang sila pabalik ng DepEd?
No, ma'am. Ang location po ng branch namin is within the compound of the DepEd. So lumalabas sila sa fire exit leading to the DepEd compound.
Okay, no further question, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, kung makalimutan, baka nakalimutan ko na eh. So, kung tanongin si Ms. Abaya dito, meron ba kayong CCTV?
Meron po, Mr. Chair.
Merong CCTV nandun mismo sa pag-withdraw ng pera.
Yes po.
CCTV yan, correct? So makikita nyo ngayon yung mga tao sa CCTV na nag-withdraw, correct?
Yes, Mr.
I'd like to make a motion, Mr. Chair, that they submit to us a CCTV in which do the withdrawal.
Na-move na kanina pa, Mr. Chairman, this representation moved for the land bank to submit that CCTV.
Para wala tayong question dito. Kasi mukhang hindi alam ni Tony Sanchez eh. Palagay ko, Mr. Chair, medyo, ewan ko ha, parang alam nyo eh. Tony Sanchez, hindi pwedeng hindi nyo alam eh. So ngayon, malalaman natin through the CCTV.
Okay, with the indulgence of Congressman Rog, the Senior Deputy Speaker, the Chair would like to recognize the Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is interrelated with my question last hearing kay Gina Acosta at saka yung sa nagpagenta sa Shaw Boulevard. In my recollection last hearing, I asked already that the 37.5 million in cash on first and second, third quarter, in-encash po yun dun sa Land Bank DepEd compound. Tama po ba? And my question there is, sino ang tumanggap dun sa pera pag ni-receive niya yung pera? Di ba cheque po yan, ano? Pag in-encash po yung cheque, ang tatanggap, sigurado kung Paharda yan, siya po ang pipirma. That's my number one question. Number two question is, yung 125 million, in my recollection, pina-encash yan noong July 11 or 13. July 13, 2023, sa Shaw Boulevard, yung 125 million. And then the last check of 37.5, alos sabay po to. Yung last check ng 37.5 million and the 125 million, sabay po yan in-encash halos sa Shaw Boulevard at saka doon sa DepEd branch ng Land Bank. Pangatlo po, ang address ni Mr. Paharda is walking distance only from DepEd Land Bank compound up to the residence of Mr. Paharda. My question is, sino po ang tumanggap doon sa 125 million sa Shaw Boulevard and the 37.5 sa DepEd compound ng Land Bank? Yun po, Mr. Chairman, that's my two questions. Tanong ko po yan last hearing, pero wala po yung cashier na sinasabi niyo. Salamat po.
Miss Nanita Camposano,
with the DepEd branch, it's the payee himself who received the cash.
Who's that, ma'am?
Edward Paharda.
Edward Paharda. Okay. Yung sa 125 billion, ma'am?
For the 125 million po, Miss Gina Acosta.
Pwede po kaming humingi ng kopya, yung receiving copy sa bangko na ang nag-receive katunayan si Gina Acosta at si Mr. Paharda?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Congresswoman.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. With the indulgence of Congresswoman Pami, the Chair would like to recognize Congressman J. Kongkon.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang tanungin si, sandaling katanungan lang kay Attorney Lopez, no? Attorney Lopez, pagdating ba sa security, lalong-lalo na pag nagwi-withdraw, no, ang inyong SDO ng ganyan kalalaking pera, hindi ba nakikipag-coordinate sa inyo na security yan? Usually, pag nagwi-withdraw ng pera?
Attorney Lopez.
Dahil ikaw ang chief of staff, ikaw ang namumuno ng mga staff ng Office of the Vice President. Lahat ng mga tao rito, under sa'yo yan, sigurado. So they report directly to you. Being the chief of staff. Ngayon, tanong ko, hindi ba humingi ng security si Madam Acosta sa pag-withdraw ng ganyang kalaking pera?
Your Honor, in this case, I am the Undersecretary and Chief of Staff of the Office of the Vice President, but there are certain matters that are not within my area of expertise. I handle purely, Your Honor, all the institutionalization and implementation of all our socio-economic projects. And in this particular case, Your Honor, as regards the matter of security, etc., these are admin concerns.
Tama po. Sa mga proyekto ng Office of the Vice President at kasama sa mga proyekto ng Office of the Vice President, yung paggamit ninyo ng confidential fund na withdraw ni Ms. Acosta. Siyempre po, kayo po ang nakakaalam kung saan at paano ito ginagastos. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Dahil programa po, kasasabi niyo po, programa ng Office of the Vice President.
Your Honor, may I be allowed to, just to put things in context. I actually I oversee the daily operations of the Office of the Vice President. For that matter, a big volume of the work that I do is actually to, number one, institutionalize and implement all our socio-economic programs. For that matter, Your Honor, implementation of all institutionalizing programs would mean It's more of crafting policies, producing operational manuals, and ensuring that our socioeconomic programs are implemented uniformly and equally across our satellite offices and extension offices across the country. For that matter, Your Honor, I am also...
Madam, hindi niyo po sinasagot yung katanungan ko eh. Pinapaganda niyo lang po yung explanation ninyo eh. Opo, pakisagot na lang po ng diretso para nakakaya po sa kasama ko sa Kongreso. Pakisagot na lang po ng diretso.
Your Honor, with all due respect, yun po yung role ko sa Office of the Vice President. It is really... another would be to handle all forms of communication, whether internal or external communications.
Kaya nga po, wala po ba kayo natanggap na request coming from kay Gina Acosta para sa security ng paglalabas ng pera sa Land Bank? Dahil malaking pera po yun na para sa mga proyekto po ninyo. Katulad nga po ng sinasabi mo.
In my case, Your Honor, for this instance, there is no request for security, but I would assume because security falls under admin concerns, it would really be best addressed to the Director for Admin, Your Honor.
Pero dahil maliit po yung opisina ninyo, alam po ninyo na nag-withdraw po ng ganong kalaking pera si Ms. Acosta nung araw na yan?
No, Your Honor. Because, again, there are matters in the office that I am not privy to, Your Honor. So,
Ma'am, parang lumalabas, hindi alam ng admin, hindi rin alam ng Chief of Staff. So parang nakakaalam lang nito si Gina Acosta at saka si Bibi. Tama ba?
Your Honor,
parang hindi naman po kapanipaniwala na yung security lang, simple security reason. Request, hihingin pa ni Gina Acosta kay Bibi.
Your Honor, that is the truth. There is no request for security to me as regards that.
At
and
parang hindi rin naman po kapanipaniwala na didiskarte lang nun si Gina Acosta mag-isa.
Your Honor, I am not given the roles that I play and I perform and the functions that I perform in the Office of the Vice President. I am not really...
Mr. Chair, parang napaka-imposible po na ikaw ang Chief of Staff na under sa'yo yung mga tao na yan na hindi mo alam po.
Yung pera po pinag-usapan natin, 125 million, pag pumunta po sa opisina, alangan mo wala lahat kayo nakita. Anyway, Congresswoman Pami Zamora, recognize.
Mr. Chair, mabilis lang po ito. I'd just like to ask the Land Bank, nung nirelease yung 100, in the instance that the first 125 million was released, how long did that take, ma'am? Hindi po ba, ako po, base po sa experience ko, pag pupunta po ako sa bangko, kahit ano pong nilalabas nila na kahit ano pong halaga, binibilang po sa harap ko. So, binibilang din po ba itong 125 million?
In the case po ng OBP, yung 125 million, since ang bank po is, ang nirelease po that time is cash na sealed po siya directly from the BSP. So, option po ni client na hindi na kinount since sealed po siya. So, hindi po siya binilang. Binilang po siya by bundle but not by pieces na. So, that's one. So, ganun lang po. Binilang, hindi na po dinaan sa money counter. Ano ba tawag doon? Machine counter, Mr.
Oo, yung machine.
Hindi na po. Hindi na po.
And then they cannot, you said the money came in a box.
Bakit po hindi na lang po tinangay yung box? Sorry, hindi po tinangay. Pangit po yung pagkasabi ko. Bakit po hindi box ang dinala? Hindi ginamit. Option po ni client yun na hindi na nilagay sa box. So, for security reason, I think, Ms. Chair, kasi masyadong yung box, kitang-kita po na it's ano po siya, storage box ng money from BSP.
Kasi meron pong nakasulat sa box na galing po siya sa BSP. Tama po ba?
Yes, Ms. Chair.
Alright. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
With the indulgence of Congressman.
Yeah, with the indulgence of the Honorable
Congressman.
Mr. Chair,
yes.
may we
Miss
recognize? Regarding the CCTV, the bank has a retention period of 90 days for the CCTV footages, so we cannot provide anymore.
Noted.
Mr. Chairman, since this presentation move for that for the submission of such CCTV, yung teller po, ipina-invite na natin.
Yes.
Yung duty guard on that day. We may also invite the duty guard on that day, Mr. Chairman.
With the logbook.
Yeah. So, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Ako.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Clarification lang po. Sino po ang finance ng OVP?
Yes.
Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ako po, Mr. Chair.
Yes, ma'am. You were aware na 125 million yung confidential fund ng opisina ni Vice President for 2022.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And would you know, kailan po ko yung na-notify na na-download na yung amount na yun doon sa Office of the Vice President?
It's December 13, Mr. Chair, if I recall it correctly.
December 13 of 2022.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
May I know why?
Mr. Chair, the Office of the Vice President requested for additional funding from the DBM, not only for the provision of confidential funds, but also for a supplemental budget for our socio-economic programs.
No. So the Vice President requested for confidential fund. Kailan po yun?
Sometime in August, Mr. Chair.
Tapos nagrantan lang ng December.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
December 13. Okay. Now, may I ask Land Bank, when was the amount withdrawn?
For the OVP, I think for the 2022, December 20, I think we'll check the document.
December
2022.
22.
For the first
One time na withdrawal?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
One time. Ang nag-withdraw, yung pong SDO, Special Dispersing Officer.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Madam, would you know si Attorney Sanchez? Would that be correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, ma'am. Bakit ginastos nyo kagad ito ng period na yun? When in fact, you would have obligated and you would have used it in 2023?
Mr. Chair, I do not have knowledge on the actual utilization, but in terms of the cash advance, Mr. Chair, there is no prohibition as to whether we can give the cash advance in 2022, Your Honor.
Kayo po ang mas marunong siguro sa SDO, bakit hindi nyo na lang sinabihan when the notice of cash allocation ay na-receive nyo ng December 13, bakit hindi nyo na lang inobligate so that it will not be returned to the National Treasury? Kung na-obligate ninyo, you can use it in 2023. Di po ba, kung titignan nyo yung budget, merong unused appropriations. Number one is unobligated appropriations. At saka number two is yung hindi na-issue sa inyo. Bakit inapuran ninyo?
Mr. Chair, for the obligation of cash of the confidential expenses, we It is triggered by the issuance of the cash advance, Mr. Chair, and the documents for the request for the release of the cash advance was received by the accounting division and the budget division on December 20, Mr. Chair.
Kaya nga, na-receive niya ngayon, December 13, tapos pinaspasan nyo ng pag-liquidate. Di po ba? And therefore, nagkamali-mali na yung inyong opisina na pag-liquidate.
Mr. Chair, as to the issuance of the cash advance, as of the time that the cash advance was issued, we did not have information on the period that it will be used because it can be used even after December 31, Mr. Chair.
Kaya ngayon nga yung katanungan ngayon December 13, nakuha nyo yung na meron ng cash for the confidential fund. The first thing that you would have done is that hindi natin magagamit itong 125 billion within 11 days. Tama?
Mr. Chair, there is no requirement under the joint circular to use it within the 11-day period because it's for one quarter.
Ginamit nyo nga sa liquidation ninyo. You use it for 11 days. That's why your office committed mistakes in the liquidation. Kasi inapuran nyo When in fact, pwede naman yung i-obligate yun at saka nyo na lang i-liquidate. Di po ba?
Again, Mr. Chair, I would like to state for the record that I do not have knowledge on the actual utilization and disbursement from the confidential fund cash advance.
I'm amazed kasi kayo in charge ng finance sa office ng OBP, you do not know this. It's surprising on my part kasi I work with the controllership. Kaya nga ako nagtataka bakit pinilit ninyo na i-liquidate o gamitin yung pondo 125 million in 11 days? Something must be wrong somewhere. Di po ba? Sabihin nyo sa akin, normal ba yun? Na 125 billion gamitin mo in 11 days? As a finance officer.
Mr. Chair, for the 125 million, I do not have personal knowledge, but...
Hindi. Ang tanong ko po, sagutin ninyo. Sa tingin po ninyo, being with finance, normal ba na gamitin yung 125 million in 11 days?
Mr. Chair, that would...
Yes or no?
That would depend, Mr. Chair, on the nature of the transactions, Mr. Chair.
Are you trying to tell me that you could come up with transactions within 11 days, 5 of which are holiday?
Mr. Chair...
Pakisagot lang po.
Mr. Chair, in the government, there are transactions which exceed that amount and the payment is...
Like what, for example?
Purchases, Mr. Chair, but there may be purchases, Mr. Chair, that exceed that amount or payment for other transactions, Mr. Chair, like...
In the office of the OVP, anong transaction na ganun?
In the OVP, Your Honor, wala po kami ganun transaction.
Kaya huwag mo akong pagsabihan ng ganun, Iha. Kasi, you're coming up with stories or events na wala kang ebidensya. You're a lawyer, right?
Yes, Mr.
You say something, hihingan kita ng ebidensya. Wala kang may pakita sa akin
Yes, Mr. Chair. That's why early on I stated for the record,
Hindi,
Mr. Chair.
Pero for a finance officer, you do not know na it is unusual for you to use 125 million in 11 days, 5 of which are holiday. Ako, naging controller ako, alam ko na imposible. Kaya ang ginagawa ng amin ay ino-obligate namin para magamit namin sa next year. At may liquidate namin ng tama. Hindi yung ginawa po ninyo. Diba? Attorney, if you're really well-versed sa finance, dapat alam mo yun.
Mr. Chair, again, for the confidential expenses and the handling of the confidential fund, cash advance for confidential fund, hindi po ako involved sa process, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you. For the confidential fund of DepEd, Land Bank, ito ba yung 3/4 of 37.5 million each? One time din ba na withdraw ito?
3 withdrawals, 37.5.
So, ano yun? Every quarter?
I will check our records, sir. I cannot remember anymore.
So, pwedeng sinasabi ninyo in 1 month na withdraw lahat to?
We will check our records, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.